Submitted as the part of Grant's Round 10 hackathon by Gitcoin and IoTX, Team The Misfits have an analytics dashboard that not only covers the bridge volume and token statistics but also the network statistics. This dashboard web application has been hosted on Heroku with continuous integration enabled with GitHub. Notably, all the data is automatically updated twice every day using advanced schedulers. This frequency can be adjusted and altered based on the corporate needs without any hassle. We have used Python, Dash, and Flask as the base for everything that you see here, with the graphs and visualizations developed using the Plotly library. We would like to mention our primary data sources on the outset. These are on-chain data made available publicly by Google via BigQuery, the open APIs provided by Covalent and IoTXScan.io Analytics, made available by their GraphQL endpoint. Starting off with the landing page, we've covered important network level analytics like daily transactions, unique active users, cumulative gas used, average and total network transaction fee in USD. Notably, all these transactions can be compared with other EVM compatible chains like Ethereum, Polygon, BSC in order to get a relative sense of the performance. Moving on to the bridge analytics page, all the statistics can again be compared across chains. We have inflow volume, unique user count, and average transaction fee covered on this particular page. Since these graphs are interactive, anybody can hover over to get information or filter based on specific time intervals using the slider of the tabs. Lastly, the token transfer page takes the bridge analytics a step further by distilling the data based on the crypto token bridged. Tokens to consider can be simply added or removed interactively using the checkboxes. The frequency of inflow transactions by token and network can be studied using an interactive tree map followed by volume of transfers by token. For a more detailed insight, the line graph at the bottom can be filtered not only by token but also by network to get insights into the volume, frequency, average value, and median of bridge actions.